Yo, yeah, man. So we on the way to run this old battery back, man. I see I got that joint in the trunk, in the hatch, in the trunk, whatever you want to call it. But I shoot it down here. I like that. I like that. Shoot back down here to Walmart, man, to take this battery back. And I might pick up some antifreeze while I'm down here, man, being that I gotta deal with that water pump. And I'm sure Walmart's antifreeze is gonna be cheaper than everybody else. So, yeah. That's about it, I guess. What else? I think that's it, man. But I need to, one thing I'm probably am gonna talk about is the stuff where there's a lot of stuff that I gotta do with this car and the Chevy and the Jeep. Ain't too much I gotta do with the camera. The camera is I pretty much keep that up going because it's my wife's car, so they gotta be right at all times. So, yeah, once I do this, handle that little business and get on about here. Walmart don't give me anxiety. I don't even want to be here when they get crowded either. Let's go handle that business, man. And get back to whatever the day unfolds. See, it's times like this that I need the GoPro. Oh, wow. Definitely need the GoPro. Probably go grab me a basket real quick. Put this down. Put this battery in the basket. Try to sit my little. Man, my tripod, man, that joint ain't the best right now. Grab me a basket. So I thought that this battery was newer than what it was, but it's about 3 years old. It's a Duralast battery, but it's 819, so it was about time for it to go anyway. A lot of stuff in there. I probably don't even need glasses, keys. Yeah, I need all that stuff. I gotta get some better though. Well, that's one of the things we'll talk about. Yeah, I could have really used the GoPro right now to hook to this basket. Yeah, I wouldn't have to be holding this camera. But let me take this in here. Battery is in the basket. Take this in Walmart, and we'll be back. Yeah, go with that.
No, they have the basket.
Empty the basket. Shoot on over here to the automotive. I need to be coming over here because I need some tires for the front on the Firebird. Find us some antifreeze. Like the order went up down here though. Well, nah, it's probably the whatever brand it is or whatever. Antifreeze. Did I pass it? I ain't got nothing but this. All the good stuff gone. Got Peak. That's about the same price. I don't know what this is. Oh, you gotta add water to that. It's $10 though. But I ain't got the good stuff. Super Tick, pressed on. See, all the pressed on stuff gone. Uh-oh. Yo, man, my dog pulled up, man. Hey, the last time he pulled up, I had to cut the cameraman and cut all the footage, man, cause we had a misunderstanding with the Cutlass, man. That done did not want to act right that day. So I cut the footage. I ain't no low down nigga, man. So I cut the footage. That footage never be seen again. It's gone. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? My dog, I'm telling you, man, my dog cut off right here in the driveway, man, at the edge of the driveway, man. He ain't make it out the driveway. It's just cut off one star back up. So we ain't put that on camera. We ain't doing that. But excuse me. Yeah, man, my dog pulled up. Pulled up, man, with a little rumble and everything, man. So I was like, man, what is outside? Nigga be pulling up on me, man, when I had my garage up. I don't know. When I had my garage ain't up. My garage ain't up, man. They don't call me nothing, man. Don't even stop by and check on me, man. I be over here in the street, they don't even check on me. Wifey beat me up. They don't call, see what's up with me, man. But anyway, my dog Tanner, man, pulled, man, you got a name for the car? Car? Good man said car. Hey, that was the name of the car on Night Rider though. Yeah. The junk that was no. Remember it was Kit, but they made an evil junk. His name was Car. So he ain't gonna name the car, man. That's cold. You gotta name that junk, man. He ain't got that junk painted yet or nothing, but you know, he's still in the rough draft, man. We just had a whole argument right before I picked the camera up because he seems to feel like the car is gonna run better if it just sit in the garage and rot. I don't know why he feel like that, but that's how he feel. But now he's understanding, like, man, I need to drive my car, man. I got that money in my car, man. I need to do this, I need to do that. And so I guess he finna start driving the car, man. You gotta start driving, man. You ain't gonna do nothing but rot. What you think this is, a savings account?
It'll break that savings account, goddamn.
Nah, if you don't drive it, that's what it's gonna be, a savings account. You just got a whole bunch of money in here, and you just sitting on it. I ain't doing nothing with it. I need to clean my lens off, my camera lens. Roof is on that thing. Somebody 9,000, dude. Look. Woo, cut that. Look. Junior. Yep. He in one of the nice cars out there. He ain't got no clothes on. Don't never want to wear no clothes. Be ready to run outside when you see something. Yeah, man, I'm gonna see if this junk gonna start, man. Cold start. A literal cold start. These folks talking about cold start. They ain't start. They started their cars up last week, 2 days ago. See if May Rose gonna start, man. She ain't gonna start up in 4 years.
Long better ain't dead, that mother gonna fire up.
Huh?
Long better ain't dead, she gonna fire up.
ride them so long here. I mean, so I'm supposed to be tapping on that motherfucker, I get. Yeah. Dirty little girl. Just dirty. She shining a little bit though. Dirt all up on the hood. It's dirty. We get up on here and clean this one day. But yeah. I seen Dre and them earlier going down to the shop. Watch this joint right quick. Yeah, put a wipe down on her. Put a wipe down on old May Roll.
So we going up to the gas station?
I'm gonna wash that jump first. Yeah. That's why I tell you pull your ass over here.
Pull my ass, give me a sweater.
Well, go get a sweater then. God damn, cry baby. So sick of all my friends be crying. I'm so sick of them. Huh? Said I ain't have to move the bucket. Guess I gotta move the bucket. Yeah. We got Big Bear right here. Big Bear. May roll. I'm trying to see how I'm gonna do this picture. I'm gonna take a picture of, do some little footage of these joints today. Yes, sir. Gonna wash this joint up right fast. And yeah, I should have got that tire brush that I seen at Walmart. I'll get it next time. So I can scrub these joints down a little bit. Wash them up real good. I can still do it. That's dirt. That's oil. How oil get up there? Shouldn't splash some up there. But yeah, let me go ahead and wash the Jeep, man. Might do an old school Sunday today. I don't know. Probably ride up the street or something. No May Road. I know I need to charge me a battery. Well, I got a battery charge, so it's cool. And I need to do my GoPro. That's what I need to do. GoPro jump. But yeah, let's get this done. That's a thumbnail. What's a thumbnail right there, boy? I had to get me some of that. Either this right here. Let's see. Get on over here a little bit. Ooh, yes sir, that's a thumbnail there, Jack. Yeah, man, just cleaned up both of the babies, man. Now, man, I might do a little ride. Let me get this thumbnail real quick though. Yes sir. You gotta drive.